welcome to another episode of Monday Blind Bag Bin. So I have some more blind bags today, so let's get started. I'm going to start by opening up my bin. Yay! So let's open our first blind bag. We got Hot Wheels mystery models. Let's open it. Ooh, we got a purple car, my favorite. So we got Pony Up, number 11. Cool. Okay, on to our second blind bag. We got My Little Pony. Let's open it. This is the new series, so I wonder who we're gonna get. So we got Apple Pumpkin. And her card says, Apple Pumpkin, she is so loyal. Okay, on to my third blind bag. We got Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron Mystery Minis. So let's open it. We got Iron Man. Cool. Okay, so on to my fourth blind bag. We got Frozen surprise eggs, and I hope we get Olaf. We got Elsa. Cool. On to my fifth and last blind bag. Oh my gosh, we got this giant How to Train Your Dragon surprise egg. It's really cool. So let's open it. There's lots of cool things in here. So we got some cool How to Train Your Dragon stickers. And we also got a keychain as well. So I'm gonna open that up. This is really cool, so you can hang it on your backpack. And I'm going to. And we got some chewy lemon heads. And I love these ones, especially the blue ones and the red ones. I don't know. And then we have the Chewy Lemon Heads and Friends fruit candy. So they're the exact same, but these ones are in mini packs and these ones are in big packs. No difference. Except you don't know which flavors you're going to get in these ones. And that's basically it in here. So it's really cool. And it's been a long time I've been sticking to 5 surprises, so today I'm going to open 6! Yay! So I got Unicorno Series 3, and this is Tokidoki. So let's open it. It's been a long time I haven't opened some Tokidoki. You should go check out my Moosey latte video. Yay! This one is super cute and it's on the main box. So, we got Margarita. She's super cute, you guys, and she has flowers all over. She has green, yellow, and blue hair, and her tail's yellow. So cute. So here are all the figures I got. So my favorite is the Unicorno, Iron Man, and Elsa, and the candy. Well guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next video guys. Bye!